Hello, everybody. Adam Scott here from Halipad Real Estate, where it's your move. Expect more. I'm at the Halifax 2023 Ideal Home Show, standing here in the Halipad booth. We got some cool things going on. We're going to be here all weekend long. I'm going to be here in the mornings. We can get your picture taken on the back of the bus, our very popular Halipad bus boards. We're also giving away an $1,100 prize from DNF Property Services. Get your yard cleaned up this spring so you don't have to. I'm going to go walk around and visit with some of our friends. All right, I'm standing here with Chris Willison of Junk Works Halifax. Chris, how are you today?
Yeah, morning, Adam. Yeah, very good, thanks.
Excellent. Are we having a good show?
Yeah, we're having a good show.
That's
Lots
great.
Of people. It's been fun.
That's good. That's good. Chris, why don't you tell us a little bit about what Junk Works does?
Yep, so we do full service, self-service junk hauling and removal. So anything you need to get rid of, we can pick it up, take it away, recycle, repurpose and donate, usually over 80% of what we pick up.
That's right. And also, Halipad, if you buy or sell, or sorry, if you sell through Halipad Real Estate, Junk Works is offering a 10% discount to our clients, right?
Yep, we're happy to work with Halipad's clients. It's always a great relationship that we have.
Well, thanks very much, Chris, and I'll see you out on the floor.
Have a great day. Thanks
You
very
too.
much.
All right, everybody, I'm standing here with Chad from Deep Down Cleaning. If you're thinking of selling your house, Deep Down Cleaning has some great services that they provide. Chad, why don't you tell us about that?
Yeah, so first of all, we got our Fresh Flow company. It's a heat pump cleaning company, so we can get your heat pumps clean before you sell your house or your move-in ready. Next, we have the Big Wash. It's a mobile pressure washing company. So we bring our trucks to you. We don't use any water from your home. Pressure wash your siding, driveways, vehicles, decks.
Making it look like a brand new patio.
Brand new patio.
Brand new driveway.
Save yourself some money. Just
Yeah.
clean it up.
That's right. And so tell us, just to give us a little bit of a brief background on Deep Down here.
So Deep Down, we've been in business since 1996. We're locally owned and established. Same owners had it since we've started.
Yep.
And then we've recently acquired the two other companies. So now we're trying to grow our Deep Down brand with the Fresh Flow and the Big Wash. Since you've probably heard of us on the radio already.
Oh,
so.
yeah. Those TJ ads.
Yeah, the TJ ads are all over the place. So unfortunately, TJ couldn't make it today, but maybe
that's
next
too
year.
bad. Maybe next year. In a fight, who could win? Me or TJ?
I'm going to say you. TJ hasn't fought in a bit, so we'll just. I haven't ever seen you fight, so.
Well, I've never seen me fight either. Thanks, Chad. Thanks
No
very
worries,
much.
man. Thanks. Appreciate it.
Deep Down Cleaning at the 2023 Ideal Home Show. Hi, everybody. I'm standing here with Lee from JD Shore. Hi, Lee. How are you today?
I'm just great, thanks.
That's awesome. Lee, why don't you share a little bit about recent experience you had with regards to your JD Schmore's cream?
Sure.
Rum cream, sorry.
One of our most famous experiences was at one of the shows last year, and we did what I would call marshmallow shots. So very quickly, what Julie's idea was to use a heat gun. So what we did was we put the marshmallow out there, toasted it with the heat gun, put a little bit of cream, Schmore's cream in it, a little bit of chocolate, all one shot, down and right back. And if you did it that way, it worked. And if you did it any other way, it went all over you or all over us. And people were so great about it. It was
sure.
exciting. We get lots of feedback about it. We get people remembering and trying it at home. Other things we've done with our s'mores and our rum creams, we use them in cheesecakes, we use them in brownie mix, we use them in coffees, tea, iced cappuccinos, iced coffees.
Yep.
It's not
And
just
ice cream,
on the
right?
rocks. Ice cream, too, one of Julie's favorites. Yeah, so it's not just on the rocks. We're very versatile with our creams.
That's great. And JD Shore's doing something new. They're doing the taste test. Julie got me on that taste test.
And he passed.
I did. I passed with flying colors. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, Julie's great fun. I've got her on the podcast next week. We're meeting on Thursday. We're going to record an episode. She's so much fun.
She's so easy to work with.
Yeah.
She and Arla are great. They've got a great product, and
Yeah.
people keep telling us how good it is. So
Yeah.
I don't think a whole bunch of people lie, so it's got to be true.
That's right. And Julie is the J in the JD Shore.
The J.D. Shore, and
Yeah.
she is so modest about it. She's got a great history, fifth-generation rum maker, and she knows what she's doing.
Yeah. Well, thank you so much, Lee, for
Great.
your time.
Not a problem. Come by anytime, everybody.